Hey,
Hey.
Ashley.
And Kayla.
I'm gonna rape you. No, I'm just kidding.
What?
I'm kidding.
Oh, I never approved of that.
Okay.
It's,
But anyways,
it's my channel.
You're doing a video on mine later. Okay.
Whatever.
You are. Okay. So I'm gonna make noises, like animal noises, and she's gonna ow. And she's gonna try to guess what they are. Alright?
Okay, let's see me epically fail.
First noise.
Whale?
A submarine.
How is that a submarine?
Okay.
See,
Two.
already I'm epically failing.
Ooh.
A cow.
A pig.
What? Pigs
Fine.
do not go moo.
A pow.
What in the world is a pow?
It's a cow and a pig mix.
There is no such thing as a pow.
Bah.
Oh, lamb. Oh, no, none of them. Really?
Yeah.
I got it right.
Cluck, cluck.
What?
Cluck, cluck.
Cluck, cluck.
Oh, you kissed my girl.
What about, a chicken or a rooster?
Cluck,
Stop
cluck.
texting Josh. I almost said Jack.
To cuddle.
Oh, whatever.
Okay. But anyways,
Now is that a cow? Okay.
Wait,
Wait,
no.
no.
Cow.
Wait. If
Kayla.
see how much she loves me. I see how it is. Okay, let's go and stop texting Josh.
Sorry.
Yay! Of course.
Good job. What's that?
I don't know.
That's you taking a crap.
What? No. How do you know?
I've listened to you.
What?
Okay.
I'm
ready for
already
this next
epically
one?
failing.
You ready for this one?
Stop freaking texting Josh. Ashley, put the phone down.
I love the cuddle. Okay, sorry. Alright. Okay. Alright.
I don't get her.
Okay. What's that one? We're guessing animals, Taylor.
You said a submarine, so I'm being as quiet as I can. Gee.
Fine. We'll go. We'll just guess on random things, okay?
What?
What's that?
I don't know.
The water hitting pond. Okay, your turn to do some.
Whoosh. Whoosh.
Ocean.
Nope.
Then what else goes whoosh?
It's called the wind.
No, that goes.
Whatever. Your turn. We might want to turn off the little laptop.
Nah, it's fine.
Or at least close it.
Nah, it's fine. Okay. Alright. Ready for this one? What's that one?
I don't know.
It's the little girl off of Despicable Me. It's so fluffy. I love to cuddle. Okay, it's your turn.
Oh my god, I just did the noise.
Oh, sorry. Bubbles popping.
Correct. Yeah, I don't know. Don't give me that dirty look.
Wasn't dirty, it was, are you high look.
Totally.
I knew it.
I'm not high.
I knew it.
Can I exit the video now?
No, we still gotta do more animal noises. Okay. Guess what that one was?
What?
Kayla going pee.
What?
Guess what that one was?
Ashley taking a crap.
No, Kayla giving birth.
What? I've never given birth in my life.
You did to your baby dolls when you were younger. I'm the only one with a straight face right now. Honey!
What the fuck?
Okay, now through this part of the video, in like for a few minutes, we're gonna do this thing. It's, honey, if you love me, will you please just smile? Okay? So you go, honey, if you love me, will you please just smile? And then the other person with a straight face has to say, honey, I love you, but I just can't smile. And we can say it in any way. Okay, so I'm gonna go first, and I'm gonna
Oh God.
honey. Okay? Keep a straight face. Fine, you do it to me first.
What do I have to say? Oh, whoa. She looks possessed. She's going down the devil inside on me.
Okay, so you have to say, honey, if you love me, will you please just smile? Okay? To me. Alright, and I have to try to keep
Shouldn't
a
you have
straight
Josh
face.
say that to you?
Okay? But you have
I would laugh if he was
I
watching
have to
this
keep
video
a
right
straight
now.
face. He probably will. Did you just fart?
No.
Oh. Okay, so you have to say that to me, and I have to keep a straight face, so. Okay.
I
Do
can't
it.
say.
I'm 100% ready. I'm a lizard.
Okay, Ashley. Ashley.
You ready?
Honey.
I'll have we'll have episodes uploaded on my page tomorrow and probably hers. Ashley Van Balen here.
Kayla Manapku. Wait. You know what we should have?
What?
A theme song. Comment down below if you have any ideas. It would really help us out.
Okay. Stay beautiful.